Morning, y'all. This is kind of the last day here, and you think we're done? We're here at the Lost Mine roller coaster here. Super excited. This place literally opened like 2 weeks ago. They just opened up a new Alpine coaster, and we just checked out of our hotels. But super excited to get the credit, and a lot of people don't. Yeah, this place just opened like 2 weeks ago. But yeah. So this is gonna be the first stop of the day, Lost Mine. This will be credit 172. So let's get started. Y'all, so I ended up getting 2 more rides. My second ride was actually good, but it was the people in front of me were braking. So the people here are so nice. They let me re-ride again for free, and everybody who works here, amazing people. I highly recommend checking out this ride. It's very much the best themed Alpine coaster I've ridden. But yeah, we're gonna head over to the island next. So let's go over to the island. So I'll meet y'all there. So woo!
A few moments later.
Y'all, what's up? So we're here at the island. Got a few things I want to do here. Probably won't be here for very long, but very excited to check the island out. I've never been here during the daytime, so yeah. So it's gonna be a little treat. So I guess I'll catch y'all inside. Oh, we're here today to do SkyFly. It's kind of similar to Soarin' at Epcot, and I heard really good things about this. So let's go inside and let's go ride Soarin' or SkyFly. So, woo! So we just got off the SkyFly Soarin' America, and what was your thoughts on it?
That was the most awesome ride I ever rode in my life. It was awesome. It takes you all over it takes you all over the planet. It takes you through Nascar.
Really, it really goes to America.
Right, goes to it, but different things.
Yeah, but different environments.
It was the most awesome ride. You ever come here, do it.
Do it. Yeah, it's absolutely an amazing attraction. I think it's like one of my top favorite attractions of all time, honestly.
It's my top. And it's hard for me to do. It's my top.
Yeah.
Sit in that chair and it takes you wherever you will not even go there in your lifetime, the way they take you.
Absolutely amazing, y'all. Oh my goodness.
A few moments later.
I just got off my first time on a Nebula Z. Pretty fun, very short ride cycle, but they were pretty fun, honestly. You know? Yeah, they're pretty cute, you know? Yeah, that's all I really say. They're pretty cute, fun, they give a little bit of airtime here and there, but yeah, Clockwork. So we're about to leave the island. We had a great lunch here there at Paula Deen.
Apologize
super
to
good.
everybody.
What was your thoughts about Paula Deen?
For the wrong that I've done.
Everything was good. I will come here again.
Yep, it's so good. But that kind of does it here for the island and Pigeon Forge. We did Soarin', the SkyFly, and I did Clockwork, and yeah, I catch y'all over at Nascar Speedway Park. Woo!
Gentlemen, start your engines!
All right, y'all, we're here at our last credit stop here. It's Nascar Speedway, and yes, the coaster is open because I saw people going on it. Yeah, because this is my second time coming here, and This should be the one. But yeah, finally getting this Sierra coaster credit. So I'll catch y'all once I'm about to get on it or after I get on it. So I just got my wristband. There's a coaster over there. I am really hyped to finally actually ride this thing. Because when I first found out about this ride, it was a Coaster Studios video I watched like 6-7 years ago. And I'm like, okay, I gotta ride it. And then when I went in 2021, it was closed. And that was a real huge bummer. But now since it's open, that would be exciting. Okay, but yeah, I'll catch y'all once I'm about to ride this thing. I did it in the back. I'm gonna get in the front for a reason. Yeah, it's a coaster. That's all I can say about it. It's a coaster. I'm waiting to get in the front. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. If I can just get the POV over with, and then actually I think I'm gonna go ride Victory Burnout, for a matter of fact, since I'm over there, I guess. So yeah.
A few moments later.
So I just did another ride on Speedway. I got in the front because I'm trying to get a POV of it. I got a good POV, so that's good. So I'm just gonna wait here. Told the operator, so he said someone should be coming over here soon. So yeah. So yeah, I guess I'll check in once I'm about to ride this thing, and then maybe do a go-kart or two. I'm not really a big go-kart person, but hey, you can see the coaster I rode Monday or Sunday night, which is fun. But yeah, I'm actually sweating. It's a little warm out here today, you know. But yeah, you know.
Hop in this thing for a minute. For what? Just getting the tire. Just
No way! 5 yards
in there?
We've done it!
No,
I've been
no,
doing
no,
it! I can get in here!
This is peer pressure. You're bullying.
Come on. And I promise you I'll stop you and I love you.
Don't let him do it. He's jacked up on juice.
And the one! And the two! Mommy's got you! Mommy! Yeah!
Okay, 5 feet. Grab me.
Hello?
Lenny.
Hey, Keithy. Meet me at the football field, but don't tell your mother.
Why am I still rolling? Lenny!
Oops.
I just got off Victory Burnout. It was interesting because you kind of control your speed, and it's interesting. I'll definitely say I enjoyed it a little bit, but it was kind of uncomfortable. But I did a couple stalls, I went a couple things, but yeah, definitely very unique. But I think I'm gonna do like one go-kart ride, get my money's worth, because don't ask me how much I spent on this. But yeah, I will talk to y'all probably once I get out the park. Yeah. So y'all, that does it from NASCAR Speedway. I ended up doing the go-karts and whatnot, and got to get to ride the coaster I've been wanting to ride for the last couple years now. I got some little haul. I got 2 stickers because I have a little sticker collection I'm starting. So I will talk to y'all probably once we're at Bucees. But yeah, for after this, we're gonna go to Tangler, which I'm not gonna really vlog there. But yep, so I'll catch y'all at Bucees.
A few moments later.
So we're here at Buc-ee's here in Sayreville. But yeah, today was incredible. Got to do so much stuff. I'm kind of really tired right now. A lot of content will be coming soon. Y'all probably won't even get this vlog until like November. So yeah. So I guess I'll talk to y'all once I'm probably back at home. So I know little Buc-ee's. I may put some Buc-ee's B-roll in this clip, but yeah. Talk to y'all when we get home.
3 hours later.
Alright, y'all, I'm officially back home. We just got into the house not too long ago, and I am exhausted. This has been an incredible trip, it really has. And I want to thank y'all for following along and subscribing to my YouTube channel. It's like, these last couple days were absolutely amazing. I have been on a trip in a hot minute, so this is definitely needed. But yeah, this is amazing time at Dollywood today and the day before. Absolutely amazing. But yeah, guys, so I want to just end out here for the little vlog series. This vlog probably in particular won't even be out probably until December. But yeah, but thank you guys for following along and keep subscribing, like, post notifications, do everything. So I catch y'all in another adventure. Peace out from Paul. Woo!